is about to come, and last time I posted a video which was on DIY Christmas snowflakes and you all loved it a lot. Christmas decorations are incomplete without Christmas wreath. So I have made one Christmas wreath, and let me tell you, it's made from waste material, that is matchsticks and toffee wrappers. It's super easy to make. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and see how to make this super easy Christmas wreath. Finally, my super easy, super shimmery Christmas wreath is ready. And see, I made one more Christmas wreath. I took some spoons, painted them with green color, and I pasted them at its back. And it's looking pretty, right? So you also try and make these beautiful Christmas wreaths at your home, decorate your doors, and Merry Christmas in advance. Keep watching Super Sunbeam. Bye bye.